Okay, guys, so most of you should have gotten a big envelope like this, either delivered by me or Mr. Allen, or maybe just got it in your mailbox. So everyone should have gotten a new work packet because we were finished with our soup and salad bar unit, and I wanted to start this unit, and I posted the link to this unit on Google Classroom, but I think a lot of you were having a hard time opening it, so I decided to just copy it and get it straight to your hands. So when you opened your envelope yesterday or whatever day you received it, some of you got yours right the Friday before spring break, and then some of you didn't get yours until yesterday. But when you opened it, you should have seen a paper that looks like this. And this is basically like your instructions for which worksheets you're going to do in this packet. You're not going to do all this work at one time, okay? This is our work that we're going to be working on for the next few weeks and maybe even probably into May, close to the end of the school year. But so if you look, we practice our numerical dates. So you can see Monday was 4:13, Tuesday is 4:14, Wednesday 4:15, 4:16, and 4:17. So this is your plan for the whole week, okay? So yesterday, you guys got your packet. Hopefully you got started. If not, you can make up yesterday's work whenever you have a chance. But you need to do this before we move on to this. So if you didn't do your work yesterday, go ahead and complete this and this today. You want to do Monday's work and Tuesday's work so that you're all caught up for the week. Okay, so every morning, start with our bell ringer. Then I want each of you to do yesterday a vocational, like we have jobs at school. I want you to find a job to do around your house. So I've given you some ideas. So yesterday I wanted you to practice making your bed. Okay, then we started our unique learning unit. It's called All in a Day's Work, and it's about having a job. So what you're going to do first is you're going to find the vocabulary packet. So you're going to look for this little packet, and it says All in a Day's Work, and then right here I wrote vocabulary, and these are going to be your flashcards. So what you can do is you can cut these out the same way that I do at school. Just cut them and fold them in half. You want to only cut on the outside lines and then cut right here on this line, because this is going to be one card. You're going to fold it in half on that line there. So our vocabulary words for this unit are goal, and the definition is going to be on the other side after you make your flashcard. So you're going to go through all of these, and I'm going to make these flashcards also so that I can kind of do flashcards with you guys on the videos. But you're going to go through all these. Go ahead and make your flashcards because it's a lot easier for you if you cut them out and turn them into flashcards than trying to read it upside down. So go ahead and do that. That was your assignment for yesterday. And then after you get your flashcards made, you could practice typing these words: goal, plan, budget, save. Go through and type all of your words. Okay, then you want to read aloud chapter 1 of All in a Day's Work and answer the questions at the end, just like how we do our quiz in class every day. You want to answer the questions at the end by filling in the blank or bubbling in the correct answers. So you've got your book, and this is the reading book. So you're going to find this book. It's got the chapters laid out. So you guys are going to read chapter 1, Planning for Your Future. And then when you get to the end of the chapter, you're going to do the quiz, and there's a communication board if you need that to answer questions with your family or whoever's helping you do your work. So you're going to fill in the blanks on this page, and then you're going to do the bubble sheet there. Okay, so that's this part: answering the questions, reading chapter 1, answering the questions. Then you're going to do chapter 1 activity, which is labeled right here at the bottom, chapter 1 activity. And what you're going to do is think about some of your goals. What kind of job would you like to have? What about your personal life? Would you like to be married? And where do you want to live? Would you like to live with your family or have your own apartment? And if you need some ideas of how to fill this in, you could do this sheet that you just are going to glue some pictures. If you want to write it out, you can use this sheet. If you just want to use pictures, you can use this sheet. And there are some ideas of some things that you could choose from. For jobs, personal life, you can cut out the picture that you like and where you'd like to live. Okay, so that's everything that you should have done for yesterday. Okay, now today, gonna do your bell ringer. I posted a video of the bell ringer this morning. For your vocational or your job for the morning, I would like for you to try to vacuum or sweep a room in your house. Go ahead and review and type your vocabulary words again. Now you're going to read chapter 2, which is called Job Exploration. And you're going to read chapter 2, and then you're going to do the same thing at the end of the chapter that we always do. You're going to fill in the blanks and fill in the bubbles on the bubble sheet. Okay, now you're not going to do the chapter 2 activity today, because if you look at your lesson plan here, you're going to just answer the questions. Then you're going to go over to your math book. So if you look in your packet that I gave you, you're going to see this one that says math, money, science, and cooking. So today your assignment is to do the math story 1. So when you look in your math book, you're going to see right here at the top it says math story 1. And you're going to do a couple of word problems, and these are all addition problems. And you can do these by counting the objects and adding them together. So you're just going to do math story 1, and then you're going to stop. You're not going to do the rest of this book. Okay, just do that page, and then you're going to do money packet page 1. So then you're going to find the one that's in here. Keep flipping through. It should be stapled separately. So you're going to find the worksheet that says money 1, and you're going to practice counting coins. And if you have some coins at home that you can use to match up the coins, and then you can practice using your touch points. And that's all you're going to do for that today. Okay, so that's your whole assignment for today. So I covered everything that you needed to do yesterday and everything that you need to do today. So you see, you're not using all of this work right now. You're just going to do the pages a little bit at a time. And each day I will read over your lesson for the day with you and make sure that you know what you're supposed to be working on. All right, guys, I hope you all have a great day. And I'm going to go get started working on making my flashcards now so that I can review those words with you on the video tomorrow. All right, email me on Google Classroom or send me a message if you need any help. And you guys, Kevin really misses y'all. I miss you too. So, all right. Bye, guys.